I'm God the Good One. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a magic trick which you can perform for all your relatives while you're in lockdown. It's very simple. All you're going to need is one egg, some margarine or butter. Doesn't have to be this one. I can't believe this in butter. Put it in. Now I'll give you a few minutes to go and get them items. Everybody's got them in the fridge, and while you go get them, I'll entertain you with a song.
Go and get some butter. Don't forget to get an egg. Go and get some butter. Don't forget to get an egg. I know you said that I trolled you recently, but I don't give a toss what you say. Go get some butter. Don't forget to get a friggin' egg. Don't forget to get an egg. Don't forget to get an egg. So you can do a magic trick with me. Go get some butter. Don't forget to get an egg. Don't forget to get an egg. Don't forget to get a bloody egg.
So you've got your egg and you've got your butter or margarine. Can't believe it's not butter. What you need to do first is get your egg and dip your egg in your butter. So getting plenty on, you can see here, like make sure it's all round it. This is going to help you with your magic trick later on and impress your friends. So make sure you get plenty on. See there, I've covered it. It's very slippy now. You need it extremely slippy. So once you've done that, then we're ready to start. Warning, do not try this at home. I am a professional magician, and no matter how hard you try to copy my amazing trick, you will fail. Even if I did say that you could do this trick. God the Good One takes no responsibility for you or your stupid kids trying this trick. Before we show you this magic trick, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell everybody you know and all your mates and your grannies and like your kids and stuff to subscribe to my channel. And obviously they'll learn things. It is lockdown, so people need to learn stuff. So now's a good time to do it. Okay, so you've got your egg and you've put your butter on it so it's slippy and slide it. And you need that. Don't forget the butter thing, else it could all go wrong. All right? Right. What we're going to do is we're going to put this up our bum. So be careful, and that's why we've lathered it up, right? So you might need two hands because you might have to pull butt cheeks apart, but here we go, right? It takes a bit of pushing, try not to break it, because there we go, all inside, everything's working good, and now we need to get it back out. And here's the magic part. What we're going to do is, from down here, inside here, what we're going to do is, we're going to bring it out of his mouth, right? And I know it's not easy, but you're gonna have to concentrate, okay? There you go. Nice one. So you've got your magic egg now. Obviously it smells a bit because it's come all the way through your body, and obviously it's going to be a funny colour as well. But if you've done this trick right, there's a special treat at the end of this for you. So you get your special egg, and if you've done this right, just get a little crack, And if you look inside, there'll be a magical capsule which I've put there with my special powers because I am a god. I'm a god. Don't put this in your mouth because it's been up your bum. So then you get this capsule and you give it a little squeeze, and inside is like a toy, and it's a surprise. You don't know which one you're going to get. And I got, don't know what it is, but it don't matter if you don't know what it is. It's like a little man with like a funny head on him. Is it a crew cut? Oh no, it's like a Mohican. That's what I meant to say. And he's got like this and this, but I don't know what it is. But it don't matter if you don't know what it is because you get some instructions. What? So you put his leg in this little thing. Oh, he's got, oh, I didn't realise that. He's got a guitar, look. And then this thing here attaches to that. Hang on. Yeah, how? What? Oh, hang on. You don't do that bit first. You do this bit first. That attaches to that. And then this little man's foot goes into this little hole that's here. And wrong way around. Let's take him off again. Did it wrong way around, weren't doing it properly. Not one for instructions, but so then his little foot goes in a tiny little hole that's here, right? And then it stands like that, and you push it, and it does this. Shite. So what have we learned? We've learned sticking an egg up your bum and regurgitating it out of your mouth will turn it into chocolatey colour because it's passed through your bottom area. Also, we've learned that in chocolate eggs you get toys, which are rubbish, not worth the money you put into the chocolate. So yeah, we've learned a few things. If you love God, then don't forget to subscribe to me. I am God the Good One, and I'm here on YouTube to educate the masses. About 3,000 people have got follow me, so it's not masses, but it's more than I expected. Don't forget to subscribe.